Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about Fidelity Investments and how it works. Fidelity Investments is a global financial services company. It's one of the largest investment management firms in the world, serving millions of individual investors and businesses. Fidelity offers a wide range of services, including brokerage accounts, retirement plans, mutual funds, and wealth management. So, how does it work? Think of Fidelity as a one-stop shop for your financial needs. First, you open an account. Fidelity offers many types, such as a basic brokerage account for general investing, or a tax-advantaged retirement account like an IRA. There are often no minimums to open an account, making it easy for new investors to get started. Once your account is set up, you can add funds and start investing. Fidelity gives you access to a huge variety of investment products. You can buy individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. A major benefit is that Fidelity offers $0 commission on online U.S. stock, ETF, and options trades, which can save you money. Fidelity also provides tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. This includes research, educational articles, and financial planning tools. If you're not comfortable managing your own investments, Fidelity also offers professional advisory services and robo-advisors that build and manage a portfolio for you based on your goals. In summary, Fidelity Investments provides the platform, products, and support you need to manage your money and grow your wealth. It's a comprehensive platform for both self-directed and advised investing. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.